What's up, my good people? There's one subscriber that tells me they want to see my face, so just a second. So, do you guys remember this? It's my compact gun. So, nobody knows this thing because this compact gun because no views for my compact gun. Please, my one subscriber, please watch this. Watch my video, my compact gun, so I can get a lot of views. So, whoever is watching this, please subscribe or like. So, just hang in here, my mom's room. I'm not in my room right now, so tomorrow I'll make a video again from my ice skating because I have a video from my ice skating. And please watch it. It's my video from the ice skating, so just please watch it, because if you don't watch it, I'll cry like a little baby. I'm just 10 years old, bro. I'm just 10 years old. And whoever is watching this, please subscribe or like. So tomorrow, it's Saturday right now. It's Saturday. It's kinda late. It's 10 o'clock. Just a sec. 10:15 o'clock. It's PM. It's night. You guys are probably there. Are American. Are kinda morning. Because I live in Philippines. You guys are AM and I am PM right now. We have the opposite time. So, my subscriber want to see my face, he said. So, thanks to Carlos Icolan, because his name is Carlos Icolan. I don't know if he have a video. Please check, my good people, or just never mind it. So, tomorrow, Sunday, I'll be making a video. I'm using kinda hockey shoes because my figure skate shoes isn't here, because I give it to my coach to waterproofing it because my shoes isn't waterproof yet, or he's gonna make my blade kinda more cooler. He's gonna wait, I check my videos online. Yeah, guys, probably kinda watch this. Just a sec, guys. And does anyone remember this? Fire! Charge! Yeah! My cool Nerf strong arm and my pellet gun. Just a sec. I have one more strong arm and another gun. Nerf. haven't touched it because if this strong arm breaks, I'll be touching this. It's been 1 year and I haven't touched this. And this is my another gun. It has a laser. Big laser in your eyes. Because I will be killing in your home. Nah, I'm just kidding. So, this is all my guns. My old guns, my big guns is kinda broken right now. And I'm sorry that I haven't showed you because I just started posting videos. I think it was yesterday or no, it was, I think, I don't know, yeah, brother, I don't know, yeah, so, please subscribe, and wait a minute. So, do you guys play Monopoly? Because I have this Monopoly. It's kinda old. I haven't touched this for a month or something. But this game is pretty fun. Pretty fun. But I don't wanna play it because I think it's kinda boring. But this is pretty cool with my friends playing this because sometimes we play this game. But right now, no. So see you tomorrow, my good people. When kinda go skating or something. But I think this is it. My mom's calling. Back. So I'll be uploading a video. I'm using my big, awesome mountain bike. It's a kind of racing bike or something. Have this one ammo, magazine, and this will go to your face. Yeah, I'm just kidding. So I have no ammo. So what am I gonna do? Oh, forgotten. Yeah. But I'm kinda 10 years old, and you guys, Philippines it's met better more in the Philippines. America is kinda, I don't know, but it's good in America too. I just saw in the skating rink. I just saw Michael Martinez. And you know Michael? He's the one who won in the Philippines skating figure. Nice skating figure, guys. And I kinda don't wanna do figure. I kinda wanna do hockey. Hockey is more easy than figure because figure is kinda hard. Kinda hard to do. So I'll see you tomorrow, my good people. Peace. Subscribe or like, and thanks for my subscribe. Or see you next time.